Welcome to Betty's Cooking Channel. Today I'm preparing for you Étouffée. It's a New Orleans dish. Make it with crawfish today, so you will love this recipe. Try it and you will definitely fall in love with it. So let's get started. Étouffée just means smothered. Where I'm from, it's like if you smother some chicken, that's étouffée. So let's get started. I added 1 stick of butter. I'm gonna let that melt. I'm starting my roux for my étouffée. If you've never made this is a delicious dish. Every time I New Orleans, I eat their étouffée because I love the way they make it. So this is my version of étouffée. I'm going to add some bay leaves in the pan. I just added about 3½ bay leaves. I'm going to add in a ½ a cup of flour. The butter is a ½ cup. So I'm going to go ahead and add the flour in now. Use my wooden spoon. I'm going to make sure you never walk away from your roux. You're going to keep stirring it and stirring it until it turns to a peanut butter color you like. So you have to be patient with your sauce. Notice the sauce has gotten a little darker. It smells like peanut butter, almost, the sauce at this point. Okay, now the roux is about the color I want it to be. I'm going to throw in my onions. That's a ½ a cup of onion or a half onion. And I'm also going to throw in a teaspoon of salt, bell peppers, and celery in this bowl. It's a ½ a cup. They are mixed in this container. And notice the sauce is getting a little bit darker. That will happen. It smells so good in here. And I have 3 cloves of garlic. I added my garlic to the pan. And now I'm going to add a ½ a teaspoon of pepper. I added 16 ounces of chicken broth to the pan. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. Tablespoon of hot sauce, Louisiana hot sauce. If you don't like spicy, don't add that much. I'm going to add a teaspoon of paprika, a teaspoon of parsley, a teaspoon of garlic, a teaspoon of onion powder, and ½ a teaspoon of thyme. sauce is getting thicker. So if you like your sauce a little thinner, just add a little water to it. I'm going to add a little to mine. I just added a half cup of water. Loosen it up a little bit. Sauce has been cooking for about 30 minutes. So I'm going to go ahead and add my crawfish and shrimp to the pot. Now this crawfish and shrimp have already been deveined, so I'm going to put 1 cup of it in the sauce. That's all you need. Unless you just want more, you can add more. It's up to you. It's your recipe now, so you can do what you like. But this is how you make étouffée. It's a very rich dish, and you don't have to cook the shrimps that long because they are already partially cooked. I cooked them earlier. So as long as they get some sauce on them, they're going to be delicious. And just to let you know, when I cooked them early, I just added like a half teaspoon of sea salt on them while I was waiting to add them to the sauce here. So you will serve this with some rice. I have a rice recipe out on YouTube, so just follow that recipe to get the rice recipe, how to make it in an Instant Pot, how to steam your rice in an Instant Pot. But this is it. This is étouffée, and it has a beautiful color to it. I'm going to go ahead and plate it. I'm going to go ahead and add some to the bowl. If you like this recipe, like and share this recipe with your friends and family. Have a wonderful day.